In this video, we'll show you how to enable in-engine depth of field in the advanced 3D workspace in After Effects, so you can add realistic, camera-style focus to your 3D scenes, keeping some objects sharp while others gently blur, just like a real camera would. This works across everything in your scene, whether it's 3D models, text, shapes, materials, or any other 3D element. Let's start by setting up the scene. Create a new composition, then set it to the Advanced 3D Renderer by opening Composition Settings, going to the 3D Renderer tab, and under Renderer, selecting Advanced 3D. Next, add the elements you want to your 3D scene, and then add a camera to give the scene depth, movement, and perspective. To add one, go to Layer, then New, then Camera. When the Camera Settings dialog box opens, select the Enable Depth of Field option. You can also turn this on later from the Properties or Timeline panels under the Camera Options section. Now let's shape the focus. In the Camera Options section of the Properties or Timeline panels, you'll find the controls you need. Start with Focus Distance. You can set this manually, or you can select both the camera and the layer you want to focus on. Then go to Layer, then Camera, and choose one of two options. Link Focus Distance to Layer connects the camera to that layer with an expression, while Set Focus Distance to Layer simply sets the property value. You can also choose the Link Focus Distance to Point of Interest option and use the camera's own controls to adjust your focus. From there, the Aperture controls let you decide how much of your scene can fall out of focus at its blurriest point. The Focus Area Width sets the size of the sharp region in the frame, which is how you keep specific objects or parts of your scene fully in focus. And with the Near and Far Blur Level controls, you can increase or decrease the amount of blur in the foreground and background. One last thing worth knowing. Depth of field quality is controlled by the General Render Quality slider in Render Options. To get to it, select Renderer Options from the 3D Renderer menu in the Composition panel. If you notice a ripple effect while animating the focus distance, increase the render quality to smooth it out. Just keep in mind that higher quality means longer render times, so it's a balance worth tuning for your scene. And that's it. You now know how to enable depth of field in Advanced 3D and control exactly where your viewer's eye lands. Try it now in After Effects and drop a comment below if you run into anything.